Marlo Heat Transfer Solutions, providing custom-engineered products for your unique applications for almost a century. J, X, and K coils are fluid coils with brass end caps on the tube ends for quick inspection and easy cleaning. J coils have plugs only on the supply header side. X coils have plugs only on the return bend side. K coils are the most common and have plugs on both ends of the coil. For extra protection, copper ferrules are attached to the tube sheet. This prolongs the life of the tubes from coil expansion and contraction by preventing them from rubbing directly on the tube sheet edge. These coils can be ASME U stamped for extreme environments, and all coils are assembled and leak tested before shipping. J, X, and K coils are excellent choices for situations where sediment or foreign material could build up inside the coil, such as cooling water from lakes, ponds, or rivers. Easy access to the tube interiors for cleaning reduces fouling and restores the coil to peak performance. Contact an independent rep or Marlo sales expert by visiting www.marlocoil.com.